Here's how to make an in-house reservation with OpenTable. There are two ways to make a reservation, from the front-of-house view and from the timeline view. Let's start with the front-of-house screen. Select the book icon in the top right corner. Choose the reservation date, number of guests in the party, and the reservation time. Next, search for the guest contact information. Or if this is their first visit, you can add them to your guest book. Tags and notes can be used to highlight dining preferences, such as requesting a quiet table, indicating a favorite wine, or if the diner is a friend of the owner. With tags and notes, you can make every diner feel like a regular. It's important to remember, guest book notes are saved on the diner's contact card for future reservations, while visit notes are saved on a per-reservation basis. To complete the reservation, choose Make Reservation. Now, let's look at making a reservation in the timeline view. Use the navigation buttons here to find the date and shift for the reservation. Tap on the table and time requested by the guest and tap Make Reservation. Add the party size and add the contact information. Finally, tap Make Reservation.